i35equipment.com. This is the Terex TLB840 backhoe loader. It is 4-wheel drive. Has auxiliary hydraulics for the front, as well as a third valve handle. We welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. Bring your operator and your mechanic, or hire a local one. Come check it out for you. It is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call or fill out the form on our website to get on the calendar. As always, hauling and delivery to your farm or job sites available. Just fill out the form or give us a call. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. There's the extended hoe. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. Look forward to hearing from you soon, and hope you have a great day.